Dober večer. Dear colleagues, can you take a glass and find your seats that we can start our official end of our symposium. So just take a glass and bring it. To je še naše zadnje dejanje. Sedaj, ko zaključujemo 8-dnevni simpozij etnokoreološke skupine ICTM tukaj v Brežicah. In ga bomo izrabili predvsem zato, da se lahko zahvalimo. Pravzaprav jaz sem bila pobudnica tega kongresa, ampak simpozija, vendar ta žal ne bi mogel biti izpeljan, če ne bi imela ob sebi odlične ekipe. Zato se bi rada v svojem imenu zahvalila najprej slovenskim organizatorjem, ki so to izpeljali. In sicer podporo sem našla pri predstojnici in vseh kolegih Glasbeno-narodopisnega inštituta ZRC. Hkrati pa seveda odprta vrata v Posavskem muzeju Brežice pri direktorici in sodelavcih muzeja. Hkrati je zraven pristopil v sodelovanje tudi Slovensko etnološko društvo. S tem se mi je, moram priznati, izpolnila ena taka tiha želja, da bi etnokoreološko študijsko skupino enkrat v svojem karieri pripeljala v Slovenijo. In s tem se mi je izpolnila velika srčna želja. Hvala vam vsem, ki ste pripomogli pri tem.
Ampak danes je pa z nami podžupanja Mila Levec.
Dear our guests, greetings on my behalf and on behalf of Municipality of Brežice. I'm glad that you spent last few days in our Brežice and I really hope that you enjoyed. I believe that Alenka and her company were great hosts and that you enjoyed all the time. I wish that you bring nice memories from our Brežice to your home and that you will return someday maybe as a tourist. I wish you a safe trip and have a nice evening. Thank you.
Dear friends, have a good evening. It's a great pleasure and honor, of course, that we have this event in Slovenia, and for the success of any of such ICTM events, there are two pillars. One is, of course, the local arrangements committee, and I think we all enjoyed very much the synergy between Rebecca and her team from the Institute of Ethnomusicology and Alenka and her excellent conducting of her team here at the museum. Perfect, couldn't be better. And the other pillar is actually the program committee. And I think we were also very fortunate to have two excellent program chairs, including our new chair of the study group, Plačida Staro, and of course our Kendra Šteputacija. So I came here to Brežice totally exhausted after 1 week of the World Conference in Lisbon in Portugal. And then I thought, well, maybe I will stay just for a few days and then I will just go to Ljubljana or go to some holidays. But it was a wonderful program. It was your friendship, your collegiality that I just decided to stay, as you can see, until the very end, the very last moment. You are really a wonderful study group, and I feel really very much privileged to be with you. Thank you for having me. And thank you once again for everything that happened during this week. I think this will stay in our memories for the rest of our lives. Thank you.
Plačida Staro, da zapre ta simpozij.
I have a different one. The issue of diversity, yes. So thank you so much. First to our hosts. So Annika, you were perfect, and all your collaborators and volunteers, they were perfect. We were like at home, we were better, maybe because we were not cleaning and doing things like that. And this put us in a better disposition in order to be together, to share ideas, and maybe to imagine a better future in dancing and acting. We are a study group of ICTM, and I thank our chair. And I thank the chair before me, Ms. Catherine Foley, she's not here, who was conducting our study this day. And obviously all our board. And because to organize a symposium is not so simple, it takes 2 years and many people involved. First of all, the board, and then the organizing committee, and not last but not least, the program committee. And I want to mention them because today we mentioned all the people who was working except for them. So I thank my dear co-chair, Kendra Steputat, and I'm David, Ronald Kimbraj, Jeanette Mollenauer, Mehmet Ojo, I don't know the surname, forget it, and Colin Quigley. We have had a good collaboration. We ended finally to be there all together, and I hope that this experience will lead the new generation.
We have reconsidered our dance knowledge, and we have talked about inclusion and exclusion in dance scholarship, or in dance in general. This gift committee has been exclusive, however very exclusive, however also all-inclusive, because we had a fundraiser from all of us. Yes, so we have all fundraisers for the gifts. However, we have been including regarding age and membership in the group, since we have reconsidered the gift committee by revisiting from earlier gift committees members, including the initiative taker for the first gift committee. So we have been all ages included. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. You have to stay here. Oh, did I get the names? Thank you. So, you're welcome. We appreciate it so much. And what is in this thing is because you are now a member of our etnokoreology family. And please stay. And I really hope that we have the right names now. So for you working with Alenka, it's Andrea Matijak, Bocznan Kolar, Slavko Dvorsak, Natalia Zak, Anja Medved, Anja Zaguda, Natasha Bukovic, Jana Rotsman.
Verjamem, da ste vsi razumeli, ne, tudi kar je bilo samo v angleščini, ker so bile zahvale vsem, ki so pripomogli k uspešnosti tega simpozija. Za konec smo pa zaprosili naše prijatelje oziroma naše izjemne folkloriste, folklorne skupine kot Oton Županči Šartiče, da res dajo še to posebno noto in ta zaključek simpoziju. In res velika, velika hvala. V Sloveniji je to velik čas počitnic, zato še toliko bolj velika hvala. Ampak kaj ne rečem, brez vas skoraj da ne bi mogel biti ta dogodek in sem res vesela, da ste tukaj. Vodi tam predsednica Barbara Bogovič, mentor je Gregor Tuljak In moram reči, da nisem vprašala, kaj nam bojo predstavili, verjamem, da bo odlično in da bomo uživali. Potem pa seveda nadaljujemo z druženjem, pride ena taka večerica in bomo še naprej lahko uživali in se imeli odlično skupaj, ter seveda potem pa zaželeli prav vsem našim gostom, da se varno vrnejo domov.
to continue my presentation today with a video demonstration. This is the Fantasy Folklore Group. It's a recording that's never been demonstrated before. Can I please have some help so that the video works okay? Here we go.
Is this my microphone? Do you hear me? This is a female dance. I want a male dance.
1 minute. Music, please.
Giorno di festa in Messico c'è un'aria